Hey Roses, this is Olena from OlenaRosanne coming back to you with another video of a head wrap style. And this time I think we are on head wrap style 6. We're going to use a shorter head wrap this time. Today we're using material I purchased from an Etsy shop by the name of Waxprintslacesnmore. They're located in the Dallas area. And this is what we have here. So here goes one. A shorter head wrap is great for the summer, so you don't have to worry about covering your whole head if you want to, but you still can if you want to. And here is the other style. If you're interested in any of these two head wraps, please go ahead and visit my shop, OlenaRosanne Creations, and I'll go ahead and link the shop in the description box. So, what are we going to do today? Like I said earlier, we're going to do a head wrap style where we are not covering our full hair. So, I have my headband. Let's go ahead and get this hair out of the way. Okay, so we have it like this. And we're going to go ahead and work with this Encara fabric because it's a little bit stiffer. It's a wax print. Anytime you have a wax print, it has a wax coating on it that makes the material thicker and allows you to be able to make more styles or more variations of styles with your head wrap. Okay, so as we already discussed, normally we go ahead and protect our edges. Go ahead and make sure, if you would like, use a silk or satin scarf to line your edges and protect those even in the summertime, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and bypass that, go straight to the head wrap, and we are wrapping towards the front. Remember I said this is shorter. So, I'll take this, tie it to the front one time. Situate it around your ears the way you want it. With the shorter wraps, if you just want to tie it twice, that's all you need to do. And because this is wax print, when you spread out the extra edges, it will stay out. So situate it the way you want it. I'm going to turn it around, turn it around. Up here at the top, I want more of my hair out, so I'm going to push it back. Fluff out my hair. And I don't want this bow that big, so take one end, tuck it in, and I just tuck that other end to the back a little bit. There goes one bow. The other one, I can spread it out, fold it a little bit to shorten that bow a little bit so you can see. And take this other end and tuck it in. Okay. So just play around with it. Remember, every time I do my head wrap styles, I make it up every single time. No way is wrong. Okay, there you have it. Simple. If you need to get caught up on the previous how to head wrap styles, make sure you check the description box, and I'll go ahead and leave a link for the playlist. Make sure you follow me on Instagram underneath OlenaRosanne, or even OlenaRosanne Creations. Visit my shop at OlenaRosanne.etsy.com, and also go ahead and pay a visit if you want to get your own material to make what you want from Wax Prints, Laces, and More. Thank you, by the way, to the owner. I appreciate you having all these beautiful fabrics in stock so I'm able to make the head wraps that are available to you. Anyway, Roses, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment, and see if you've been able to try this style. Let me know if you're learning anything from this head wrap series, and I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.